Hello, my name is Adela Glyn-Davies and I'm the Head of Design Studies at the University of Warwick. My role in the CovenTRY CollaborACTION project is to co-lead our research strand. Our research question for this project really is about how we might further close the gap between research and policy making. We understand that making policy is a full design process which requires us to carefully consider and co-design a process that is inclusive of all of us, including the researchers, the communities that we're trying to help and work with, as well as our council members and all the people working for the policy design department. Today, we introduced our first prototype of a method which we call an impact compass, which is a gamified version of a systems mapping approach to help engage all people in a policy design project. This prototype that we see today is one prepared especially for this research project, meaning that what we see in front of us is a gamified version of a systems mapping canvas. And we've done it in a gamified way so that we can overcome barriers to participation that are normally present in heavily scientific approaches. Policy design is with and for people, and it should remain that. This process is really focusing on using a method that can include everybody, regardless of knowledge in linguistics or politics or economy. It is about sharing knowledge, and knowledge does not only come in form of data, particularly numerical data. And today we're trying to really cluster different types of knowledges towards creating a method that can help us to discover new knowledge, but also allow new knowledge to emerge through dialogue. At the end of our session, we're hoping to gather some insights from all the players, so to speak, the co-designers, so that we can improve on the prototype and then apply it directly with the three strands of a policy design process: our policy makers, of course, our communities and the researchers. This means we're bringing together people with completely different and diverse backgrounds in a room to create, exchange and develop knowledge. The event today was at our wonderful Fargo village, full of creatives, full of people who are working on scientific development, environmental factors, social factors. We have invited, as well as people who are working on these roles, we invited community members, we invited family, we invited everybody who has been, has not yet, but also will be included in these processes going forward. One thing that we really took away from today was the passion that was there to create meaningful, long-lasting change. There is a yearning to step away from reactionist and reactivist approaches and generally decision-making that has created short-term intervention. I wanted to wholeheartedly thank all of our colleagues and friends from CovenTRY, our communities in CovenTRY, Fargo Village, our council colleagues who've been absolutely incredible. Generally, the artists and the creative minds of Fargo, thank you. It's been an incredible event, and today was that first start of creating a much bigger, as India calls it, a network of networks.